To start with, I am spraying my hair with some leave-in conditioner to make it soft and to be able to detangle it and also to moisten it. And I'll be using some gel and some elastic bands. So I'll start with partitioning my hair and wrapping my hair with rubber bands in some knots. And as you can see, I've made one, and I'll continue with that process of preparing knots with rubber bands. So first I apply the gel, then I wrap it with a rubber band to make it firm and to make it possible to grip. I'm using these Avis short braids, which are each free and they come in one gray. I chose one gray because I really fancied the color, and I bought 3 pieces because I knew they'd be enough for my hair. I have a lot of hair, yet they were enough for my hair. So I moisturize them so that they do not tangle, and I'll just pick enough amount. So the first step is insert the crochet at the middle of the knot, then open the crochet, and after opening the crochet you put the braid into the crochet, you close and you pull it out. After that, you'll have 2 strands of braid in your hair, so you'll basically do a 3-strand twist with your hair in the 2 half equal braids, and as you go on you will share more hair to the side of where there is your natural hair, so that it can be invisible and it will blend in with your hair. So I am inserting my crochet again to the knot at the middle point and inserting the braid inside, and as you can see, I will close the crochet and pull it to the other side, and I will pull just one side of the braid, one end, and adjust to make sure both sides are equal. Then I will braid them together with a 3-strand twist, my hair being 1 strand, and as I continue I will add some more braid to my hair so that I can hide it inside the braid. I am repeating this process of crocheting to every single knot that I have made with my rubber bands, and I will do that to the whole of my head and to all the braids I'll be doing. So this I'll continue with crocheting. As you can see guys, I'm done braiding and the braids came out very well. Remember to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video.